G'day guys, and welcome to our next vlog, the Springnats vlog. I won't be able to make it myself to Springnats, but we have a crew and we haven't introduced you to these guys, but this is part of the Tuff Streeters crew. We've got Adam here from media.
How you going?
He's usually behind the camera, but he'll be behind the GoPro this weekend with fellow mate slash staff, Tuff Streeters staff.
How you going?
Simon.
You mate. You mate.
He's ready to get on cam, I can see it.
Can't wait.
He's ready to hold the cam and give you guys some comedy.
comedy gold.
We'll have a sus this weekend. We'll see what the showgrounds are like, and apparently there's a twilight burnout thing happening with lighting and stuff, so it should be...
Apparently there's like 700 entrants.
700?
Yeah, which is insane.
Adam and Simon, they'll take you through the weekend. Hope you enjoy, and you'll see me on the next one.
Don't forget, mate, this is Drop Live.
Oh, look, he already got fired. Simon's on it. He's taken over my job now, so...
No, we got this going live, mate. This is live. Get in.
Could be yours, man, with $30.
$30 and it's valued at what, 40 grand?
Yeah,
Something like that?
Something like that.
Whatever you do, don't wreck it, guys. Come on.
Don't wreck it.
They can't even find the keys.
Far out there. You're fine.
Don't you hate a dead battery now, Adam?
Is it dead?
Yeah,
It's dead.
100% dead.
Alright, cut.
I didn't tell him I put a new one in yesterday.
Sorry? Did you go?
No, serious.
No, I'm serious.
Hang on. I didn't tell him that there's a safety switch on the battery. Careful, mate, might scare you. There you go, guys. Now the club is live. Make sure you get your double entries to get your best chance to win it. Turn it off, can't hear anything. Tuffstreeters.com.au. Get yourself a double entry to win this clubby. So I'll hand you over to Adam and Simon for the weekend at Springnats. Enjoy.
Ooh. Damn, boy. Got myself a fresh cut. On our way to Springnats up in Shepparton. Thought I'd jump on here and entertain myself, to be honest. So Adam, if you're watching, you can leave it on. 99 bottles of beer on the wall. 99 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 98 bottles of beer on the wall. 85 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 84 bottles of beer on the wall. 54 bottles of beer on the wall. 4 bottles of beer on the wall. Everybody now. 4 bottles of beer on the wall. 4 bottles of beer. Now there's no bottles of beer or a wall. Thank you. I'm hungry as f***. Give me that your love the piano. Baby nothing. Alright, we've arrived in Shepparton, so just going to go down to the showgrounds and check it out.
Should be a good match, this one. Who's going to put the most smoke out? Trevi in the daily, a bit of left and right combo.
We're at the hotel. God damn, it's pretty nice. I'm gonna go and check out some not drifts, some burnouts. Ooh, goddamn. Checked out a couple of fucking sick burnouts. Never been to one of these before, I'm not gonna lie. Not bad. Burnouts are sick. Probably come around later and we'll definitely be back tomorrow with the boys. Two, Sunday. Didn't really do much yesterday, but today's going to be a bigger day. Eh? Boys from Keep It Reek, Jace, Jesse, all those guys, Josh. Let's go. We'll see how we go today. It's going to be a big day. What do we have here, mate? What are we doing, mate? What have we got here, Jace?
We had a drift day yesterday down at Winton. We had power steering issues, so we actually found one in the local town. We're going to chop her over, and we've got her entered in that burnout class later in the day. We winged it somehow. Scrutineering did close yesterday, but we're in, and we're going to send a skid. Yeah, she's ready to go. 580 kilowatt, and that's about it. I don't know, we're going to check out today as well, and we're going to have a good time. So, yeah.
It's going to be a good day. Jesse, how you going?
Yeah, not well.
Yeah, no, it's a bit cooked. Not well, mate.
Not well. Battling.
Wow, let's go.
Battling. Pump that ass. No wonder I feel like ass.
3:30 till what, 9:30.
I get like 9 hours.
Hello.
Go to Woe at Springnats. Let's go have a look. I think Jace is going to get that on 15 minutes. Let's go see if people like it, see how it's going. Go to Woe, accelerating as fast as you can to some cones and then stopping, I guess. I think that's what it is. I don't know.
Wasn't expecting that one, Ducky. No. Pressure. Any Simpson slides in.
Let's go.
Oh my goodness. Check out this car on the right. I've never seen this, Dutchy. 700 horsepower turbo barrel. Holy moly.
What do you think about his performance, bro? Is he killing it or is it a bit shit? It's a bit shit.
He's got no grip. He should be launching it in second,
Yeah.
slipping the clutch and trying to grip up
there we
instead
go.
of smacking gears and blazing.
There he goes. That was alright.
Grab fourth, you pussy.
Hey bro, hey. What do you do for a living, bro?
I drift.
You drift. That's hey. Drift.
Alright, Jay Scott Jukes, we're up here in the grandstand, Springnats,
Keepery takeover.
taking over the camp.
Tuff feeders. I'm a bit concerned about the barrow wagon going out there and doing a skid. Why's that?
Just gonna get a bit hot. What are we predicting? Predicting, Jason, before the barrel wags gets too hot? 20 seconds?
Yeah.
20 seconds?
20 seconds a long time.
Top fourth gear, slap straight in fourth, full boost.
Sounds like a fucking helicopter. Ready to get on the track, bro?
Yeah, no, we're getting it ready now. She's definitely going to overheat. We're still going to send it. Anti-lag, fourth gear drop, mate.
Oof, goddamn, can't wait. Keen to see Jace rip some burnouts and the barrel wags. Let's go. Give us a limit.
Yeah, boy!
This is an absolute weapon of a vehicle, ladies and gentlemen.
She struggled a little bit.
It's alright.
She probably went straight to 110 degrees and just cut him out. Took timing out, took fuel out, gave him a real short limiter.
It's not
I'm
bad, though.
kicking. Don't know. It was still
knows?
going.
Here comes the big old B. It's over.
It's over. We did a skids and we came and saw.
Came first.
We came first.
We came first.
Yeah, probably far from it.
One prizes.
That's it, everyone's out, everyone's bailing.
Everyone's fucking off.
Everyone's running away. The Slurpee machine has been destroyed from so many Slurpees today because it's hot. But that's it, another event done and sussed, and we're getting ready for our locked and loaded, huh?
Yes.
April 30 at Wanton Raceway, 100 driver cap. Got a few pretty cool things actually to announce for it. We've got one section that we're working on in the background that if we get it through, we'll be absolutely stoked on. Keep your eyes peeled for that to drop. One thing we are working on is working with some of the top brands to get involved, and workshops and whatnot. Plus prize money. We've got about 10K we're going to throw at the event for each section. It's going to be huge.
We've also got the VR, the clubby.
Oof, the clubby's going strong. I'm sure that's ending soon. So jump on it. We're going to draw that out. Hopefully it's in one of your hands. Thanks for tuning in.
Let's go.
Subscribe, boys.
Subscribe. Hit that notification bell.
Oh, true.
All right.
Yeah,
Let's go.